Salvation is a word which has held mankind in awe since time immemorial, but very few know what it actually means. Liberation from all debts is salvation. Salvation does not mean death or a journey to the heavens. Mukti or salvation means freedom. It means acquiring a desired form, a desired state. You were born, this in itself was not an extraordinary event. It was just a result of coming together of a man and a woman. If you acquire a transcendental vision, you shall see thousands of souls wandering about, anxious to enter a womb. The souls which are selfish, false and deceiving, by hook or crook, manage to enter into a womb when a child is conceived. You too entered in the same way, hence your birth was nothing so remarkable. You did not even have the capability to enter whichever womb you wished to. A soul which has attained moksha or salvation takes birth only when it wishes to, and is even able to enter the womb of its choice. It may not even take birth and may remain in Siddhashram for 2 years, 10 years or even 1,000 years. Rama was born to Devaki in the form of Krishna after 2500 years. For 2500 years his soul remained in Siddhashram waiting for the right moment to take birth again. It had such a power and capability, hence it could remain in its dynamic form in Siddhashram for so long. For attaining salvation, every person, whether it is you or me, has to become free of all debts. If a disciple brings me even a glass of water to drink, then I shall become indebted to him, whether the disciple so wishes or not. The disciple may think that he is doing so on his own, but it is a natural process, and if you offer your services to me, then I shall surely become indebted to you. Until this debt remains, it shall be impossible for me to attain salvation.